just listen. This is the voice of the streets. From the south to the world, the scream of the favela, of the pain that floods. It rained, it overflowed. Tragedy announced, Rio Grande do Sul. Abandoned land, absent government, broken promise. The people in poverty struggling helplessly. Where's the help? Where's the help? While it rains outside, inside I die. United in pain, we resist in strength. The people rise up, the truth exposed. Flood of sadness, flood of heartache. The people in the mud, the government in failure, but in unity, our voice is loud. From the south to the world, our struggle does not remain silent. Submerged shacks, drowned dreams, children without a future, hearts crushed. But we don't give up, we continue in the battle against the system, in the union that never fails. Empty promises, luxury speeches, while here we suffer, they live in